All your life has been a lie. They decided what you want to see, hear, and believe. And most of you did, including me. Yes, high wattage vacuum with high suction power is a lie. Stay with me to find out why. Hi, Andy here. We are the pneumatic master distributor in Malaysia. Vacuum cleaner wattage does not equal to more suction power. I can see your eyes is frowning now. Never mind, let me explain why. Most of the retail and commercial vacuum cleaner suppliers have promoted wattage as the ultimate specification to compare vacuum cleaner performance. But don't buy it. If you do, you quite possibly been taken for a ride. So if high wattage doesn't equal to high suction, so what is supposed to mean? The fact is that wattage is only a measurement of how much power or electricity will be consumed. So a 1008 watt vacuum cleaner will use 1.8 kilowatt of electricity in 1 hour. So if the vacuum cleaner uses 1.8 kilowatt an hour, if you use it for 4 hours a day, that's $8.80 per day or 3,168 per year, compared to if you use, say, 620 watts vacuum cleaner, which is 0.62 kilowatt an hour, same for 4 hours a day, that's $2.20 a day or 792 per year. That means by using a lower wattage vacuum cleaner, you will have a saving of $2,376 per year. Wow, that is like a 5 days 4 nights staycation in St. Regis or Four Seasons. The point is that wattage is only a consumption measurement rather than a power output measurement. It tells you nothing about suction. If you want to use more electricity, then use a vacuum with higher wattage. We have clients that converted all 25 units of high wattage vacuum to low wattage vacuum cleaner. And the saving of electricity in just 1 year is just mind-blowing. So what are the right questions to ask when buying a vacuum cleaner? Two things: vacuum suction and vacuum airflow. Basically, suction is what picks up the dirt. It creates the speed or velocity of airflow. The airflow, on the other hand, is the same volume of air on the move. That's how the dirt moves with the airflow. Let me explain that in a bit more. Suction is ultimately what gives a given volume of air the speed or velocity by the vacuum motor. The more suction you have, the quicker the given volume of air is moved. The volume of air is the airflow. I will go into details in a while more. Suction can actually be measured on a succometer gauge. The figure can determine whether there's a good rating to use when evaluating performance. All vacuum motor and manufacturers have this measurement readily available. So now what is the vacuum airflow is all about? Airflow is what moves the dirt along that suction has picked up. You know, it's like the same way as the wind carries away the dust. The interconnection of suction and airflow is what gives the vacuum cleaner performance. They just can't exist without working together. The only thing that will affect the airflow would be the resistance of filtration, floor nozzle, hose, and accessories. So the design of every single part, shape, size, material, etc. is really matters, not just the wattage of a vacuum motor. Because vacuum motor have improved significantly over the years, just like everything else you can see, by spinning the motor faster and using taper fan technology, able to achieve better performance without increasing power consumption or the wattage. That means we can get better performance with low wattage or energy consumption. One more thing you cannot underestimate is to use a good quality floor nozzle or tools. It doesn't matter what type of motor is working in the vacuum cleaner. If the floor tool is poor quality, then the overall performance of the vacuum cleaner will be poor. Now you know why the salesman prefer to talk to you about vacuum cleaner wattage rather than suction and airflow. Because it's easy. It's what they want you to hear and believe. But it's not the truthful one. Alright, that's been it. Let us know in the comment section what is your vacuum cleaner wattage and how long have you been using it for. And consider subscribe if you're into content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.